Yeah, g'day YouTubers, Tinker O'Toole again here with another chain sharpening video. I'm more interested in showing you how good a finish that you can get even using these pink wheels. This pink wheel here is a Tacomic, so it's really good. Now I'm using 60 degrees on the top plate cutting angle and 30 degrees here on the top plate, because still recommend 30 degrees for the RS chain. So this is an RS chain and I'm going to sharpen it up and we'll have a look at it. Now make sure that you go real slow. A lot of times what I do is have two passes. I've already done one pass on this chain, and the reason that I do two passes is on the second pass I barely touch the chain. So I want to try and get a beautiful finish, because if a grinding wheel is only touching lightly, it really does come with a better finish, and you don't heat the chain up. So we'll just continue to sharpen this up, lock that in a position, and what we will do is we'll just do the 18 teeth and have a look. Don't take too much off, because you'll get too much, you'll generate too much heat. And that's why I don't mind doing two passes. This second pass is a lot slower. Sorry, it's very fast, I should say. I'm just barely touching it. It just gives a really nice finish. And that's all I'm really interested, because if you've got a nice finish on the chain, it will cut really good. Now we talk about edge retention, to be able to retain that good cutting edge. So we'll just get that out, and that's going to be, we're going to have a look at maybe this tooth here, see if we zoom in there. Look at that. That is a beautiful edge. And that's what you're after. You're after a little bit of an edge like that. There's micro burrs on there, which are totally unavoidable. Any grinding wheel file is going to do that. That's the type of edge that you want. Could have a look at another one. You can just see a little bit of browning on the tooth. A little bit of browning's okay, as long as you don't get any bluing. So that's pretty much as good as what you're going to get it. That's actually quite good, and that's going to cut extremely well. So just be careful that when you do sharpen your chain, use the right wheel. Because if you're using the wrong wheel, like 60 grit, and it's not a high quality wheel, don't expect to get a good edge. The edge will be terrible. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.